making low-carb desserts may be quite difficult. There is always the concern that it will not be as delicious as its traditional counterpart, or that getting low-carb ingredients may be difficult. Well, we at Keto Interest are here to demonstrate to you that low-carb desserts may in fact be as good as other desserts, if not better. The most important question right now is, what are the easiest keto desserts? Fortunately, there are a lot of delicious, easy-to-make keto desserts out there. One that everyone should have in their arsenal is a chocolate cake. Here's how to make it. Do not use almond meal as the flour in this recipe. Instead, use blanched almond flour or superfine almond flour. Unsweetened and Dutch processed cocoa powder is required. Do not use liquid sweeteners, as that will affect the cake's texture. Baking powder is used to produce some rise and fluffiness. Using room temperature eggs, butter measured in its melted state, and milk of your choice will result in a delicious cake. You must also include vanilla extract. We recommend to use unsweetened almond milk, but any keto-friendly milk would do the job. Homemade keto chocolate frosting is required for the final touch. In a bowl, combine the dry ingredients. Next, combine the eggs, butter, milk, and vanilla in a mixing bowl and whisk until fluffy and combined. Gently mix in the dry ingredients until smooth. Pour the cake batter into a greased 9-inch pan and bake for 37 to 40 minutes, or until a skewer comes out mostly clean. Remove the cake from the oven and let it cool completely before frosting it. It's incorrect to believe that ketogenic desserts are less attractive than traditional ones. Every recipe presented in this channel has been prepared thousands of times, and most of those who recreate them don't even follow a ketogenic diet. To learn more about keto diets, visit our website at ketointerest.com or simply subscribe to our channel for future recipes.